Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the salubrious climate that Mandeville is known for, and in an area that exudes affluence. Plus, less than 5 minutes from the town center is this 8 bedroom, 6 bathroom house for sale. It sits on a half-acre, well laid out, level and manicured lot with an established backyard farm, pineapples, sugar canes, oranges, mangoes, and avocados to give a feel of the ambience for the person with income generating mindset. Ample land space would let them salivate at what would potentially be constructed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $189.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.